Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek yogurt salad dressing. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget 1 minced clove of garlic and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and healthy dressing that you'll love. Now let's get mixing. Take a medium-sized bowl and add your 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Next, carefully pour in the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Follow that with the 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Give these 3 ingredients a good whisk until they are completely smooth and beautifully blended. This creates the creamy, tangy base for our incredible salad dressing, ready for the next layer of flavors. It's time to infuse our dressing with amazing flavor. Gently fold in your 1 minced clove of garlic. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill, which brings a wonderful herbaceous note. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. This step truly elevates the dressing. Finally, give your dressing one last thorough whisk to ensure everything is perfectly combined. Cover the bowl and pop it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial, as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. When ready, serve it over your favorite salad. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.